Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Roblox on laptop and PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account and choose any game you want to play. Then click play and Roblox will automatically launch the Roblox player app. Once the app opens, you're ready to use your keyboards and mouse controls. Use WASD to move around, forward, left, backward, and right. Hold spacebar to jump, and shift to run faster. In some games, use your mouse to look around or click objects. It's similar to most PC games, so you'll get used to it quickly. Then press escape to open the menu. That's where you can leave the game, adjust settings, or chat. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.